Hi! Be it your first steps with Puppeteer or advanced Node.js expertise, integrating proxies into your routine is great for your security. Let us help you set them up in a few steps. Let's start by installing Node.js with its package manager, npm, and code editor. Create a project folder. Initialize it using npm init y. This command generates a package.json file that manages your project dependencies. Next, install Puppeteer using npm install Puppeteer command. Puppeteer comes with its own Chromium version that has automatic updates. We'll be using the puppeteer.launch method. To configure a proxy within the args parameter, we include the proxy server flag, followed by the proxy server's address and port, specified in the proxy server variable. After launching Puppeteer, create a page with browser.newPage. Then authenticate proxies using page authenticate and navigate to a specific site using page.goto method and perform your tasks. Remember to replace details like proxy credentials and URLs with your actual data. The username and password are available in the plan section of your DataImpulse dashboard. End the session by closing the browser with browser.close. Now let's talk about IP rotation aspect. It switches between multiple IPs during web scraping to avoid blocking. Use browser.newPage to open a page and page.goto to navigate tasks. And that's all. Find the link to a detailed guide with the complete code and additional helpful resources below the video. DataImpulse is about top service, dedicated support, custom solutions, and high-quality proxies. Reach out to learn more about what we can do for you. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.